So hello guys, in today's we are going to see 5 amazing tips and tricks of Telegram app. So let's get into the video. First, create chat folders. Telegram has something called chat folders that allows you to categorize your chats into different labels. To enable this, first of all, open Telegram app on your Android smartphone. After that, tap on the 3 horizontal lines to open the menu option. Then on the menu, tap on the settings option. Then on the settings page, scroll down and tap on folders. Now, tap on the create new folder option. Now enter the folder name and add contacts by tapping on the add chats button. Once done, move to the main screen and you will see a tabbed UI showing the new folder. Second, edit sent messages. Telegram allows you to edit any sent message instead of first deleting it. It's relatively easy to edit any sent message on the Telegram app, but many users don't know about the feature. However, the edited message will be tagged as edited in both private and group chats. First of all, open the Telegram app on your Android device. Now select the conversation where you want to edit a message. Now long press on the message that you want to edit, and on the toolbar, you will see multiple options. Tap on the pencil icon to edit the selected message. Now you can edit the message in any way that you want. Once done with the editing, tap on the checkmark button. The edited message will be updated. You will see an edited tab behind the message. Third, turn on fingerprint lock. If you have used WhatsApp previously, you might know that the instant messaging app has a fingerprint unlock feature. With fingerprint lock enabled, users will have to use the fingerprint sensor to open the WhatsApp Android app. Telegram also has a similar feature. In Telegram app, tap on the 3 horizontal lines to open the menu page. From the list of options, tap on the settings. Now scroll down and tap on the privacy and security option. Under the security, tap on the passcode lock option. Now enable the toggle for passcode lock. On the next page, enter a passcode and confirm it. Once enabled, scroll down and enable the unlock with fingerprint option. This will allow you to unlock the app via fingerprint. Now move to the chat page of Telegram and tap on the open lock icon. This will lock the Telegram app. Once locked, you would need to use the passcode or fingerprint to unlock the app. Fourth, self-destructing messages. Almost every instant messaging app now has a disappearing message feature. For those who don't know, disappearing message is a feature that keeps your message history tidy. Once enabled, it automatically removes the messages from the devices after the timer has elapsed. Contact's name. On the next page, tap on the 3 dots or the name of the contact. From the list of options, select Start Secret Chat. On the confirmation pop-up, tap on the Start button. Secret chat will be enabled for the contact. The secret chat conversation will show up separately in Telegram's chat, and it will have a lock icon behind the name. Fifth, send silent messages. With silent message, you can message your friends freely when you know they are sleeping, studying, or attending a meeting. The feature is unique and could be handy as it lets you send messages without notification sound. Open the contact whom you want to send a message without sound. Now type in the message as usual. Instead of tapping on the send button, hold the send button for about 3 to 4 seconds. You will now see the option send without sound. Just tap on the send without sound button, and the message will be sent. If you are unable to find or use the new feature, then head to the Google Play Store and update the Telegram Android app. So, that's it for this video. I hope this video helped you. Please share it with your friends also. If you have any doubts related to this, let us know in the comment box below.